Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Samsung SmartThings outlet with SmartThings app, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Samsung SmartThings outlet. Ensure you have access to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Download and install the SmartThings app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone or tablet. Sign in or create a Samsung account if you haven't already done so. Once logged in, tap the plus icon on the top right corner. Select device from the list of options. Scroll down and choose outlet from the available devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to put the outlet in pairing mode. To do this, press and hold the button on the outlet until the LED indicator blinks. Confirm that the outlet is in pairing mode and tap next to the app will now search for available devices. Once the outlet is detected, select it from the list. You may be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi network details. Make sure you input your Wi-Fi password correctly. After entering the details, tap Connect to establish a connection. Wait a moment as the app configures the outlet. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message on the screen. You can now name your outlet for easier identification. Customize any settings as desired, like creating routines or schedules. Tap Save or Done to complete the setup process. The outlet is now ready for use within your SmartThings ecosystem. You can control it remotely through the app or connect it to voice assistants. Experiment with its features to maximize your smart home experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.